In honor of Groundhog Day, we have sort of a play on words, as in what is in groundhog or sausage. And joining us now is Jake Nelson here at the Food and Ag Product Center. Jake, let's just kind of start with a brief history of sausage making.
Wow, it goes back to antiquity. The term sausage comes from the Latin term salsus, which essentially means to be salted. And so humans figured out many years ago that salt and eventually other plant materials result in both a preservative effect on the product and something that tastes good to us.
Let's talk about some of the main ingredients in sausage. You kind of have a smorgasbord here for us.
I do.
Describe some of these.
When you talk about building sausage, it's kind of like building a structure. There's a foundation, and then there's walls and windows and a roof, and there's some similarities across many different types of sausages. We'll start with right here. The foundation spices and flavors for all sausages are salt, pepper, and sugar. Almost all sausages have that as a foundation. And I've got examples there of both a black and a white pepper that serve as that foundation. You step up then to some basic flavor profiles, and again, almost all sausages have marjoram and coriander, surprisingly. Many sausages have that, and if you put that at lower levels, it's often difficult to detect, but it gives it that characteristic sausage expectation. Many sausages today are also cured, and so they have sodium nitrite added to that, and that's again a sub-foundational ingredient to that. Then you take the step up, and we're getting into walls and windows and roofs, and there's two spices that are out there that are very common. We call those the savory twins, and that's onion and garlic. And those can come in many forms, but again, onion and garlic is almost predominant in every sausage out there. And then finally, beyond that, you get what we call the puzzlers or the teasers. And those are those flavor profiles that really define it, both through consumer preference and characterization by name. Things like red pepper and cinnamon and sage and fennel, all of those other plant materials that really separate and characterize different sausages.
And last but not least, what are these?
Yeah, and sausage is encased. I mean, because sausage essentially is a ground product, we call it comminuted in the industry. By definition, sausage is comminuted and condimented. So it's ground up and then flavored, and that's what makes sausage. But we've got all these different casings which define different types and again characterizations of sausage. We've got a plastic bag here for chub sausage. We've got some fibrous casings here for something you might see in like a semi-dry or dry sausage, such as summer sausage or pepperoni or salami. We've got actually a cellulose casing here. This is actually rayon, the same product that rayon textiles are made from. Hot dogs, very popular item for encasing hot dogs. And then finally collagen, regenerated collagen casings, which you see on smoked sausages or dinner sausages.
Okay, Jake Nelson, thanks a lot. I'm ready for breakfast now. How about you?
I'm ready.
We'll see you later.